This car makes a creaking, popping sound every time I get in or out.
That's just your knees, sir.
Noisy knees are normal or abnormal. Noisy knees, such as popping or cracking sounds, are usually not a cause for concern if there is no pain or swelling. These sounds can occur due to air bubbles in the joint fluid, or the movement of tendons and ligaments. However, if accompanied by discomfort, swelling, or limited mobility, it could indicate issues like cartilage wear, arthritis, or meniscus problems. As a physiotherapist, I recommend monitoring the symptoms. If pain or swelling persists, seek professional advice to prevent further complications and ensure proper joint function. Early intervention can lead to better outcomes.